Why you need an emergency fund. Did you know that over 60% of Americans couldn't cover a $500 emergency without borrowing, selling something, or missing another bill? If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. Even if you're living on a very tight budget, you can start building your own emergency fund today. You might not reach $500 overnight, and that's okay. What matters most is building a small safety net that keeps life's little surprises from turning into big crises. Life happens. One day your car needs new brakes, the next your kid gets sick, or your power bill doubles. Common emergencies include car repairs, medical or dental expenses, job loss or reduced hours, rent increases, or overdue utilities. Without savings, even a $100 surprise can mean missed rent, late fees, or borrowing from high-interest lenders. That's why even a few dollars saved can make a real difference. Step 1. Track every dollar for a full month. Write down all your income, wages, public assistance, child support, cash jobs, or gig work. Then write down every expense: rent, food, utilities, gas, phone, and the little things like snacks, soda, or streaming subscriptions. You can use a notebook, your phone, or even a dollar store planner. When you see where your money really goes, you'll often find small leaks that can turn into savings. Step 2. Cut back on what you can live without. Many people are surprised how much they spend on small items, extra streaming services, snack runs, or bottled drinks. You don't have to cut everything, just pick one or two to pause for a month. Saving even $5 or $10 a week can help your emergency fund grow faster. Step 3. Turn clutter into cash. You probably have items you don't use that someone else would buy. Host a garage sale, sell on Facebook Marketplace, or list on eBay or OfferUp. Even small sales, like old clothes, kitchen gadgets, or unused electronics, can add $20 to $50 to your fund. Every sale, no matter how small, gets you one step closer to your goal. Step 4. Save small amounts regularly. Even $1 to $5 a day adds up over time. That's $30 to $150 a month. If you don't have a bank account, keep a labeled jar or envelope at home. The goal isn't perfection, it's consistency. When you make saving a habit, you'll be surprised how quickly that jar fills up. Step 5. Use the programs designed to help you. Many households qualify for public assistance programs that can stretch your budget, like SNAP or WIC to help with food, utility assistance programs for electricity or gas, local food pantries and community aid, nonprofits or charities that offer small cash grants or match savings accounts. Every dollar these programs cover is another dollar you can save. Step 6. Save unexpected money. When you get a tax refund, gift, or small bonus, put a piece of it, even 10%, straight into your emergency fund. It's easier to save money you weren't counting on than to carve it out of your daily budget. Step 7. Be realistic. Saving $500 might take a few months, maybe even longer, and that's completely okay. Even $50 or $100 saved can cover a minor emergency and keep you from borrowing. The key is progress, not perfection. Every step builds confidence and stability. Step 8. Track your progress and celebrate milestones. When you hit your first $25, $100, or $250, celebrate it. Small wins keep you motivated, and seeing your savings grow reminds you that you can do this. Let's recap. 1. Track every dollar. 2. Cut non-essentials. 3. Sell unused items. 4. Save small amounts. 5. Use assistance programs. 6. Save windfalls. 7. Stay realistic. And 8. Celebrate progress. Remember, the habit of saving is more powerful than the number in your jar. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll build financial confidence $1 at a time. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a safety net. You've got this, one small step at a time.